Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gorkhali Sisters, and those who are new, thanks for watching and stay tuned. So आज चाहिँ हामी के गर्नु आँटेको भनेदेखि चाहिँ अस्तिको हाम्रो भ्लगमा 2 दिन अगाडिको भ्लगमा चाहिँ हामीले भनेको थियो कि तपाईहरुले आफ्नो कमेन्ट्स लेखिदिनु अनि हामी चाहिँ शाउट आउट दिन्छ अनि सबैजनाको कमेन्ट्स पढ्छ भनेर. सो वी आर फुलफिलिङ आवर प्रोमिसेस एन्ड डुइङ द सेम थिङ. सबैजनाले हामीलाई पुरा माया दिनु भएको छ है. सो त्यसमा के भन्नुस् तपाईहरुलाई?
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद त्यसको लागि.
Thank you so much for showering us
love and support.
Thank you so much for doing that.
अनि तपाईहरुले त्यसमा चाहिँ कति जनाले चाहिँ क्वेशन्स पनि सोध्नु भएको छ है. क्वेशन आन्सर को चाहिँ Q&A को चाहिँ हामी अलग्गै भ्लग बनाउँछ भनेको थियो. सो क्वेशन चाहिँ हामी पढिदिन्छ तर आन्सर चाहिँ अब नेक्स्ट भ्लगमा पढ्छिनुस् है.
भ्लग को लागि वेट फर
ओके.
Stay tuned for that, right?
ल त्यो यसको भ्लग को चाहिँ अब क्वेशन्स पढौँ है.
अब I'm gonna start first. This comment is from Mr. Dinesh Lama. Lots of love from Nepal. Thank you so much, Dinesh Lama, for showing lots of love and support to us. Really means a lot.
Yes.
Thank
you so much,
Dinesh Lama.
Supporting and
Thank you for
loving
the love
us.
and support.
Thank you.
Natasha.
Abu, next comment is from Riship Gautam. All the best, guys. Lots of love from Kathmandu. Thank you so much, Gautam.
Shout out to Riship Gautam. Next comment is from Arun Shetri. Lovely. Thank you so much.
The next comment is from Sheki Sherpa. Lots of love from Darjeeling to all the sisters and more love to Vishaka Di. My question for you all is your aviation journey, like how you all came into this profession. Was it you all had the same ambition and your future plans, and from where did you all persuaded your education qualification? Thank you so much.
Thank you
Sheki
so much
Sherpa, for
for
sharing your love and
Share
support.
and question as well. Right?
तपाईँको क्वेशनको चाहिँ आन्सर चाहिँ Q&A मा
It will
आन्सर
come
गर्छ
soon.
है. Coming soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, next question, next comment is from Sneha Chetri. Lots of love from Darjeeling. Keep growing. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Sneha Chetri.
Sneha Chetri.
Next comment is from Wongdi Lama. Lots of love. You all glowing and wandering soul.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the lovely comment.
And next question is from Nirnay Thapa. Much loved Nikita and Natasha. All of you guys are extremely energetic and entertainer. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Nirnay.
Thank you so much, Nirnay.
Nirnay.
Thank you. The next comment is from Tashi Bhutia. Good to see you all together once again. Keep entertaining and happy to see you vlogging more frequently. Thank you so much, Tashi.
Thank
Shout
you so
out
much,
to Tashi
Tashi.
Bhutia.
Okay, the next comment is from Benita Tamang. All four are very pretty and entertainer.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Thank you.
Keep going on, sisters. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Benita
Benita.
Tamang.
Thank you so
Shout out to
much.
Benita Tamang. Thank you.
And the next comment is from Shrishti Subba.
Yes.
Lots of love from Darjeeling. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. We
Thank
are lots
you.
of Darjeeling.
Shrishti.
Right
Shout
now, lots
out.
of love from Hyderabad to you.
Yeah.
Vaishnavi Gurung says lots of love from Darjeeling. Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you,
Shout out to
Vaishnavi.
her as well.
Thank you. Renu Hangma Limbu. Love you all. Stay safe and take care. Thank you so much. Love you too.
You missed
Stay
that comment.
safe and take
Virendra
care.
Rai.
होइन त्यसको मुनि चाहिँ वीरेन्द्र राई.
यसमा चाहिँ यसको माथि आएछ है.
Thank you. Keep loving and supporting us.
तिमी वीरेन्द्रको पढ्यौ.
Okay.
Thank you, Renu Hang Limbu. Shout out to you as well.
Please.
Yeah. Okay, the comment is from Birendra Rai. Lots of love from Jaigaon. Thank you so much,
Thank
Shout
you
out
to
to
Virendra
Rai.
Rai.
Lots of love from Hyderabad as well. Keep
Lots of love
supporting.
from Gorkhali
Next
sisters,
comment
my
is
sisters
from
to
Monica
you.
Rai. कति रमाइलो क्यो sisterhood life त. Lots of love all sisters. Thank you,
Thank
Monica.
you.
Monica चाहिँ हाम्रो पहिलाबाट सब्सक्राइबर हो. So shout out to
Love
Monica.
Monica.
Thank you for always loving us and
Opala.
supporting us. Eh?
Love to Monica. Hey.
Papa, love
Next
you.
question is from Alka Limbu. Lots of love, Gorkhali sisters. Keep shining. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Alka
much.
Limbu.
You
Shout
keep
out to you as
shining.
well.
Rata.
The next is
यहीँबाट
from
पढ्नु एउटै गर्नु.
Oh, yeah.
No?
Limbu's vlog. Lots of love from Dharan. Thank you.
Cool.
Love from
यो
Hyderabad
सुबुज
to you,
ब्लगले त हामीलाई
Subbu.
नै उनीहरूको उसको पनि च्यानल रहेछ कि सब्सक्राइब गर्नु भनिरहेको छु मैले गरिदिएँ
हामीले
Thank you so much,
सुबु
Subbu.
shout out to you अनि तपाईको च्यानल पनि हामीले सब्स्क्राइब गरेको छ थ्यांक
Love
यू
from Hyderabad as well.
स्टे
Okay.
हाइड्रेटेड गाइस
Okay, the next comment is from Srijana Hotel. I hope I've pronounced it
Srijana Patel.
correctly. Just found your channel, loved it. Akbara has replaced YY.
अकबरे
Akbare भन्नु खोजेको होला
Mm.
र लेखेको रहेछ नि त. Okay, anyways, Akbare has replaced YY these days here. Lots of love and regards from Darjeeling. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
थ्यांक
Thank
यू
you so much,
हामीले पनि अकबरे
Srijana.
खान्छ है
Bus
मन पर्छ
hotel.
तर वाइवाई चाहिँ अब इट्स लाइक
Nothing can
गो टु
love.
फुड हाम्रो लागि क्या वाइवाई चाहिँ इज लभ बट थ्यांक यू फर योर सजेसन है
Yeah, we have tried Akbare much.
शाउट आउट टु को रे
सृजना पोर्टल
सृजना
Thank you so much, Srijana. Lots of love.
Next comment is from Akhil Rai. Belated Environment Day. I just woke up. Stay safe and take care all of you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Belated
Wish you the
Environment
same.
Day.
you.
Belated.
Be safe.
Lots of love to you.
एकजनाले शाउट आउट भन्दियो ल अब चाहिँ उनीहरूको बेसी हामी उनीहरूको चारजना
तैँले भनिदे.
Okay.
है?
Next comment is from Dipshika Giri. You all are so beautiful, Dee, and your room tour. यो चाहिँ हामी चारै गर्छ होला Dipshika, but right now I have not thought about it. Anyways, thank you so much for your comment. Big shout out to Dipshika Giri. Next is from
Next is from Priyana Chhetri. I think we know her. I think
Natasha
Natasha
Rose.
knows.
हाम्रो स्कुलको
Priyana is also a के पो पुरानो subscriber. Thank you so much,
Also
Priyana.
very
Shout
good.
out.
Thank
Love to
you.
watch your vlogs. All of you are so beautiful. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
You two are very
Love you.
beautiful. Thank you.
Love.
Keep loving and
Love.
supporting us.
Opa.
Oh, next is from say boy.
Nima Rama.
Oh wow, I'm so lucky. मैले निमाको कमेन्ट पढ्न पाएँ. निमा, if you're watching है, म त एकदम खुसी छु तिम्रो कमेन्ट पढेर.
I'm your fan भन्नु
I'm your big fan. है? Okay, this comment is from Nima, famous YouTuber
from Jaigaon.
from Jaigaon.
Jaigaon.
औ बिचारा भावना, बिचारा मोही नानी के गरेको थियो मलाई त्यति बेला. Love you all bonding. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much,
Nima.
Nima.
Thank you so much.
We
Nima
love your
चाहिँ-
bondings as well with your
Yeah.
siblings.
Nima, she is very down to
तिम्रो
earth girl.
कन्टेन्ट
Right?
चाहिँ यो
She is
छ.
very nice.
Wow, wow.
वाउ छ.
Thank you so much for the love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next comment is from Anil Bantawa Rai. Bantawa, it says, keep shining always. Thank you.
भन न,
हामी
हामी
बान्तवा
बान्तवा
भनेर
हो.
चाहिँ
हामी
किनकि
Bantawa.
हामी बान्ता
होइन यिनीहरू दुईजना चाहिँ बान्तवा हामी दुईजना चाहिँ चाम्लिङ है
Yes.
हाम्रो जामिन पापा बान्ता
नेक्स्ट कमेन्ट इज फ्रम अनिल गुरुङ टिपिकल नेपाली पार्सल नाइस ब्लग सिस्टर्स ब्लेस्ड फ्रम नेपाल थ्याङ्क यू सो मच अनिल शाउट आउट टु यु अनिल गुरुङ
The next comment is from Astha Libong.
Asta Libang.
So she has written much love to all Gorkhali sisters and keep going on. Thank you so much.
थ्याङ्क यू आस्था शाउट आउट टु यु
Keep loving and supporting us.
कमेन्ट भावना हो खाली थम्स अप चाहिँ पहिलो
Nawal, thumbs up. Thank you so much.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Thank
up.
you.
Four
Thumbs
thumbs
up. 4 thumbs
होइन
up.
उसले तिनवटा दिएको छ हामी चारवटा दिएको छ।
हामी चाहिँ 4 टा.
अब बेबिला बेगममा उसले त हाट भएको कसरी मुख बनाउँदैछ
गरिदेऊ न
यस्तो
यस्तो.
मेरो हातमा चाहिँ चिया छ
मेरो हातमा चिया छ नि यस्तो
ए
बनाइदिएको
थ्याङ्क यू
थ्याङ्क यू लट्स अफ लभ
को ऊ चाहिँ
बेबिला
बेबिला बेबिला
ए होइन रहेछ बेबिला भन्दै रहेछ ना बब्ली रहेछ हौ Bably
Bably
Begum
Begum अरे, okay,
I'm
sorry.
sorry for the wrong
Baby
pronunciation.
हो.
होइन Bably
ए
रहेछ
रहेछ.
Next question is from Samir Raithulung. My question for all, for how long you are working on aviation field and which country have you visited till now? What is your future plan about married? Lots of love from Darjeeling slash
Thank you so much.
Siliguri अरे के
Lots of
Samir, thank you
love.
so much for your comment है lots of love दिनुभएकोमा धन्यवाद तपाईँको यो क्वेसन्सहरू चाहिँ we'll try and answer it in Q&A. Anyways, shout out to Samir Raithulung.
Stay tuned for next
Stay
vlog.
tuned. बिचारा
So
समीर
cute.
राई थुलुङ त जेमा पनि कमेन्ट
Oh,
गरिरहेको
this
छ. Thank you
is
so much.
support
Thank you so much. The next comment is from Simple Life with Urmi. I really like your vlogs. Enjoy every bit. Love from UK. Thank
Love
you so
you
much.
too.
Love from
Thank you,
Lots of
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Thank you so much.
Hyderabad.
Thank you.
Shout out to Simple Life with
With
Urmi.
Urmi.
Next question
के
is
लामो हुनेछ
Sanjeev Sanjeev.
पुरा पठाएको छ नि त
उहाँ
Emoji.
आदर्श दा हुन्छ आदर्श
यस्तो
आदर्श दा।
हाँसेर
Cookies. Monkey. Monkey को यस्तो गरेको and I don't know, this is happy वाला लाई.
त्यो क्या त तिमीले हामीले
Excited.
कुकिज वाला प्र्याङ्क गर्यो भने कुकी
अँ।
दिएको होला
ए हजुर
Thank you,
So,
Da.
उहाँ चाहिँ आदर्श दा हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ पनि हाम्रो पुरानो सब्सक्राइबर हो थ्याङ्क यू सो मच दा फर अलवेज सपोर्टिङ
Yes,
अस
Thank you for
so
the choco
much.
chip
Keep
cookie.
loving and supporting
Yeah.
us.
हामीलाई
अब
ल्याइदिनु हुन्छ
अर्को
होला
कमेन्ट
दादाले.
हो
Choco chip
केमी
cookies.
जङ भ्लगहरू लट्स अफ लभ फ्रम सिक्किम नाम्ची नानाहरू
Thank you so
Kevin
much.
John.
Thank you.
Lots of
Shout
love
out
to
to
you
her as
too.
well.
Shout
Vlog होला,
out to
जुन
you
vlogs
as
रहेछ।
well.
Okay.
भ्लगर छ
Next comment is from Vivek Lama. Ambo ke saru kusilisis wow why पनि हेरे हजुर Thank you Vivek, thank you for your love.
थ्याङ्क यू
खुसीले त
The
अब
next comment is
नराम्रो
from
बोकेको
Sachin
Okay.
Gurung. He has just sent us the emoji thumbs up and
thumbs up
Thumbs up
and
to you.
wow
Shout out to
thumbs up
Sachin
to you
Guru.
too, Sachin Gurung.
Okay.
Thank you. For
Another
commenting.
comment from Mr. Tenzing Dhonio, हाम्रो
Oh,
old subscriber.
Why?
Well good
यो
person.
यसमा चाहिँ प्लिज गाइज यु अल अल्सो से अ भेरी 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 थ्याङ्कफुल टु धोनियो बिकज यसले चाहिँ नि हाम्रो पहिलाबाट
हो त,
गरेको
oldest
हो।
subscriber हो।
Love you,
Thank
Dhonio.
so
Love
much.
you,
love you da
Love you,
Bishara
Dad.
di also.
बिचारा भन है. Thank you so much. मलाई बिचारै बनाएको थियो यिनीहरूले.
come to Hyderabad soon
Come to Hyderabad soon vlog.
धोनियो हेर्दैछस् भने तिम्रो
We
त्यहाँ
are waiting for you.
लाइक गरेर कमेन्ट गर्ने
next comment is from Jalina Rai lots of love all Gorkhali sisters especially Gorkhali sisters हरू चाहिँ कुन कुन जग्गाबाट हुनुहुन्छ this is also a question
This will
which we'll
come
answer in the
soon.
next vlog
जलिना
Yes,
राई
the
shout
answer
out
will
to
come
you
soon.
thank
We
you for
will
the
all answer
comment
this in
Thank
a
you.
Q&A vlog.
Miss
नेक्स्ट
Rai.
इज फ्रम रोहन अरे हो रोहनले थम्स अप पठाएको छ रोहनले
thumbs
पनि
up
थम्स
पछि
अप
thumbs up, thumbs up,
Thank you
thumbs
so
up.
much. Shout out to Rohan. The another comment is from Archana Sotang. I think we know her. She is, I think,
Darshan vlogs मा आउने
specialist.
पनि
Related to
Oh,
her
yes, yes.
and related to him.
I always watch your vlogs. Among four of you, Vishaka Dilai चाहिँ पुरा मन पर्छ.
thank you
Darshan
Mandyo.
Dada
Thank you,
sister
Archana.
here. Love from Darjeeling. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shout out to Archana
Sotang.
Sotang. Love
Next.
from Hyderabad as well.
Okay.
आयो
Next comment is from
यो
Jalina Rai.
पढिसक्यो
यो हो एलेक्स
Okay.
गो अन द फोन
Alex Suhang Limbu vlog. I think even he has a vlog, right? Vlog लेखिरहेको छ. Fantastic होइन यो त? Fantastic.
Wow.
Fantastic, wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Oh, next comment is also from our favorite one, Nirnay Thapa, Nirnay Da.
Oh.
Good to see Bhavna with this squad. Vishaka, you're
Woohoo.
spontaneous in every vlog.
He is my partner in Ludo.
Blush, blush, blush.
He is my Ludo partner.
Shout out to Nina
Thank you,
Thapa.
Nirnay Da.
Next comment is from Anil Bantawa Rai. He
यो त मैले
says
बुझेको त।
कति धेरै भनेको होला है हजुर कति धेरै खानेकुरो भनेको होला हजुर पुरै लेख्दियो
धेरै।
थ्याङ्क यू
Thank you so much.
एउटा
The
दोकान
next comment is from Gurung Lama. Vlog Ali.
पढ त
Unique.
Vlog Ali unique बनाउनु पर्छ ल. Keep it up girls.
को हो उहाँ को हुनुहुन्छ
Gurung Lama.
गुरुङ लामा थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर यर कमेन्ट
तपाईँहरूले पनि सजेसन गर्नु चाहिन्छ है
कस्तो
कस्तो
गर्नु ट्राई
कन्टेन्ट.
गर्छु तपाईँलाई के मनपर्छ कस्तो कन्टेन्ट मनपर्छ त्यो कमेन्ट गरिदिनुहोस्.
Okay,
Thank you
the
so
next
much.
comment is from Thug Life.
Yes.
Hey. Jai
Thug
Gorkha,
Life.
Jai Gorkhaland.
Jai
Jai
Gorkha,
Jai Gorkhaland.
Jai Gorkhali
Chikali.
sisters.
Ayo Gorkhali.
त्यही त त नेक्स्ट इज फ्रम बिक्की थापा बिचारा भावना हरे
बिचारै
Shout out to Vicky Lama.
Shout, guys.
Vicky Thapa रहेछ sorry.
ए,
नेक्स्ट क्वेसन इज
Sorry, Vicky
नेक्स्ट कमेन्ट इज फ्रम गुरुङ दा टाइम स्पेन्ड चाहिँ दामी हुँदैछ नानाहरूको अरे हजुर
एकदम।
धन्यवाद शाउट आउट टु गुरुङ दा
त्यही त हामी फेरि सबैजनाको नानाहरू भइसक्यो
The next
You're making
comment
most
is
of it,
from
lockdown. I think.
Undying Movies Hub. Keep it up. Thanks so much.
शाउट आउट टु
To
अनडाइङ
Undying.
हामी चिन्छौँ हौ
Movie Hub. Keep loving and supporting us. Thank
कसको
you.
पढ्यो उसले?
अनडाइङ मुभी
ओके जिग्मी भुटिया बिचारा हामी चारजनालाई भन्नुभएको कि
तँलाई भनेको
त्यही भएर तिमीलाई prank गर्यो भनेर बिचारा
बिचारा
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
अब हो नेक्स्ट कमेन्ट इज फ्रम युडेन शेर्पा विशाखा एन्ड भावना यु गर्ल्स आर किलिङ इट किप अप द गुड वर्क लङ वे टु गो सिसो with a peace sign, thumbs up, and
Thank you. So
Peace
sweet
sign.
of
nazar
you.
na lage wala.
Nazar na lage. Nazar na
Shout out
Thank
to
you,
you,
Renjen
Sherpa.
Sherpa.
Thank you.
Thank you for the comment.
अर्को चाहिँ हो डोल्मा तामाङबाट यु अल आर सो ब्युटिफुल भावना दी इज माई फेभरेट शी इज सो इनोसेन्ट एन्ड स्वीट भावना दी प्लिज एक्सेप्ट माई फलो रिक्वेस्ट इन इन्स्टाग्राम
Thank you so much. I've replied उसको त्योमा अन्त युजर आइडी पनि सोधेको छु.
ओके सो थ्याङ्क यू डोल्मा फर कमेन्टिङ अब चाहिँ अलिक छिटो पढ्नुपर्छ होला केटीहरू बिकज
दुईजना
The
comment
next,
पढ्दै
गरेर
the
comment
next
पढ्दै
comment is from
साउट आउट दिइहाल
Prerna Subba. मैले भावना दी भावना दीले prank नगर्नुहोस् है या बोल्दै
I think the she is the one to be
so
so
innocent
innocent.
हैन.
अँ
So thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Thank you,
Thank you so
Prerna.
much.
Or the another comment is from Manju's Nepali Kitchen.
दिला रञ्जन
Dilranjan.
दिलरञ्जन भुजा मलाई पनि मन पर्छ स्वीट बन पनि घरमा खान्छु तिमीहरू सबै के बाटो हो काका बाटो हो लभ फ्रम
के पढ्दैछ
लभ फ्रम भुटान थ्याङ्क यू
will
सो
reply that in
मच
next
Okay,
vlog.
मन्जुस नेपाली किचन
I
शाउट
want
आउट
to
टु
see
हर
a little thing about her. उहाँ आन्टीको पनि आफ्नै एउटा भ्लग च्यानल हुनुहुन्छ जहाँ चाहिँ यु गेट टु सी नेपाली फुड एन्ड नेपाली फ्यामिली फलो गरिदिनु होला माया गरिदिनु होला साउट आउट टु
Thank
हर
you
एज
so
वेल
much.
नेक्स्ट क्वेसन इज फ्रम राजु भावना बिचारा लभ
Yo.
यू
Yeah,
यसरी अब
टुटु
राम्रो?
टुटु नो वी आर रिडिङ
भावना बिचारा लभ यु मजा गरेको हो डोन्ट वरी अरे ओके
Thank
रोलो
you.
बॉन्ड is just send us an emoji where somebody is freezing, so shout out to both of you.
freezing with cold, freezing cause of
Bhavna
cold.
what?
Okay, the next comment is from Miss Pooja Chhetri.
Mm.
मुझे तो
नहीं,
ऐसा
नहीं,
लग
नहीं,
रहा
नहीं, कोई ना
है
ले
ऐसा
लो।
लग रहा था जैसे मैं दार्जिलिंग से वापस मुंबई आए हूँ. रायो साग इस्कुस वाई अचार नूडल्स आलू ऐसे ही सामान मेरा बैग से भी निकलता है. Shout out to
Miss Pooja,
Miss
होइन?
Pooja Chhetri.
shout
Yes.
out पो त है, म त shout out भन्दैछु है.
Shout out.
Shout out to
the
Miss
card.
Pooja.
She is also very good. She comments in every vlog.
उहाँ पनि हाम्रो पुरानो के अरे उयो हुनुहुन्छ
Subscribe.
उनी
Thank you so
शिवमको
much.
vlogsबाट आउनु भएको अस्ति नै कमेन्ट लेख्नु भएको
Keep loving and
अब अर्को
supporting
पढ्दै।
us. Thank you.
The next comment is from Sabine Thapa. Vlog बबाल लाग्छ अनि गोर्खाली सिस्टर्सहरू आफ्नै दिदी बहिनी हो कि कजनहरू हो. Lots of love from Nepal.
ओके यसको पनि आन्सर हामी Q&A मा आन्सर गर्नु
Shout out to Sabine Thapa.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your comment.
Thank you.
The next comment is from Vicky Thapa. Good morning, Gorkhali sisters.
Good afternoon, Vicky Thapa.
Shout out to Vicky Thapa. And next comment is from Pemba Bhutia. Wish you luck. Next vlog अझै राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Big
much.
wishes भएकोमा हाम्रो है
Shout out
To
to
Pemba Bhutia.
दोर्जी तामाङले चाहिँ हामीलाई यो चाहिँ कि हामीले पहिला लक्की पत्ता भन्थ्यो नि क्या यो पताउनु भएको रहेछ साउट आउट टु यु नेक्स्ट कमेन्ट इज फ्रम कल्पना गुरुङ फ्रम वाचिङ यर भिडियो आई एन्जोय माइसेल्फ लभ यर कन्टेन्ट बाई आतिश गुरुङ
Oh,
ओके
Didi is related to Nister.
Thank you.
ए ओके थ्याङ्क यू
Thank
सो
you so
मच
much.
Thank you so much,
Atish
Kavya.
को भानी छु.
Thank you, Atish.
Thank you, Atish.
The another comment is from Netrix.official. Beautiful ladies, keep it up. कहाँ हो तपाईहरू? Thank you so much.
हामीहरू
Shout
चाहिँ
out to
अहिले
Netrix
हैदराबादमा हो
official.
है,
We are right now in Hyderabad.
अर्को
राजु हाहा आलु पनि हेट Shout out to राजु हजुर
Right
Shout out
time
guys.
height भन्नु त.
किनकि यहाँको आलु
Head.
छैन
Okay. Sujata Subba. बिचारा
बिचारा
बिचारा बिचारा भावना अनि कति खानेकुरा ल्याइदिएछ. सो प्रिटी एन्ड लभिङ यु अल आर. अनि निकिता एन्ड नताशा चाहिँ ट्विन हो एन्ड अल आर एयर होस्टेस.
Who is the youngest of all?
हु लेखेको होला है. हु इज द यङ्गेस्ट अफ अल. लभ यु
उहाँले पुरा
अल.
क्वेसन सोध्नु भएको रहेछ
Love you.
थ्याङ्क यू सुजाता
Shout out to Sujata
सबैको
Subba.
एन्सर्सहरू चाहिँ हामी Q&A मा एन्सर
जरुर आउनेछ तपाईँको
अर्को
एन्सर.
एउटा
अर्को
The next comment is from Samir Rai Thulo. He's our oldest subscriber.
ओल्डेस्ट होइन
oldest होइन
भर्खरै गर्नुभएको.
तर कमेन्ट
तर
चाहिँ
कमेन्ट गरिरहनु हुन्छ. धेरै खुसी लाग्यो भावना आएर आफ्टर अ मन्थ. अब मजा आउँछ भ्लग हेर्नु. Cause you guys are team and family. Love to see more entertaining. God bless you guys. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Shout
Keep
out to
loving and
Samir
supporting
Rai Tulum.
us.
Mr. SR. Lots of love, Bhavna. Lots of love from
Love to
Bhavna
you.
as
Lots
well.
of love
Thank
to
you.
too as well.
Dipen Whiskey. ऊ पनि पुरा राम्रो लेख्नुहुन्छ है.
Okay.
Lovely vlog. Lots of love all my sister. My question is 4 जनाको vlog lifetime सम्म देख्नु पाउँछ हामीलाई. If you all
जरुर
get
पाउनुहुन्छ.
married after that what you will do? I have one suggestion. Individually can make vlog Gorkhali sister 1, Gorkhali sister 2, Gorkhali sister 3, Gorkhali sister 4. Haha. From Jodhpur, Darjeeling. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Dipen
so
Whiskey.
much for your
vlog
suggestion.
Yes. यसको
Wow,
हामीहरू
पुरा thoughtful
reply
गर्छ
गर्छौँ.
हाम्रो
We
लागि.
will
Yes.
think about it.
तनिषा थापा सेज हाई विशाखा नानाहरू हजुर कति लकी हुनुहुन्छ मैले त 10 साल भयो दार्जिलिङ नगएको अरे थ्याङ्क यू फर यर कमेन्ट चाँडै दार्जिलिङ घुम्नु जाऊ तनिषा थापा कमिङ टु गिरीश गुरुङ लभ यु गोर्खाली सिस्टर्स फ्रम HK आई थिङ्क विच मिन्स हङकङ थ्याङ्क यू सो मच शाउट आउट टु गिरीश
Thank you so
गुरुङ
much.
Thank you.
Another comment is from Pradeep Limbu. Happy Environment Day. Thank you so much. Shout out to Pradeep Limbu. Keep loving and supporting us.
Thank
Thank you, Pradeep.
Another one is from Firoza Lepcha. नेपाली नै बोल्नुहोस् न प्लिज.
Sure.
नेपाली बोलेको पुरा मन पर्छ तपाईहरु. And my dreams is to become a cabin crew. Hope to meet you in future. Lots of love from Darjeeling. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Shout out
All
to
the best, Firoza Lepcha.
Lepcha. Keep loving and supporting us. Thank you for your comment.
Okay. Another comment is from Ashwin Lumjan.
Okay. Another comment is from Ashwini Dumzen.
Yeah, Ashwini is that?
Lots of love from Darjeeling.
Sorry.
Shout out to Ashwini Dumzen.
Lots of love.
Lots of love from
Thank you.
Gorkhali sisters as well.
Yes.
Ani अर्को चाहिँ Padma Lama. Wanna know about your all age, height and weight? If you guys don't mind. Yeah, sure. I
Q&A
want to
answer
know
was
it.
Q&A.
Emma. Abud next is AR Guru Gaming. Hello Didu, I am your new subscriber. Oh, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
subscribing.
Thank you so much.
Lots
Keep
of love.
supporting.
Shout out to AR Guru Gaming and say yes. Mountain and River. फ्याबफुला बहिनी सबैलाई अनबक्सिङ चाहिँ मन पर्यो आलु इस्कुस रायो साग वाई अचार नुडल्स etc. Enjoy and stay safe. God bless. Thank you. You too stay safe
Thank
and
you so
enjoy.
much.
God bless you too as well.
Enjoy your
Shout out to
lockdown.
Mountain and River.
Next comment is from Sugam Bahadur. Hello, Sangam Bahadur. Hello, Gorkhali sisters. Keep going. Shout out to
Thank you.
Sangam. Next comment is from Pemba Bhutia. Bhavna, you are looking prettier.
Thank you so
Blush,
much.
blush, Abu.
Blush.
Shout out to
Blush ko
Pemba.
emoji all over. Anyways, thank you so
Another
much.
comment is from Shri Tamang. Nice sis. Thank you so much. Shout out to Shri Tamang. The another one is from Renu Rai. Hey beautiful. Thank you so much. Shout out to Renu Rai. Keep loving and supporting us.
Next is from Abhishek Guru.
Last one.
She got pranked, so
It's
who
last.
is next?
Okay.
Am I on hyper?
Yeah, अर्को
Abu,
Hare.
Mr.
Shout out to Abhishek Guru. 2 जना भयो 4 जना पुग्यो prank मा अब.
त्यही त.
अर्को चाहिँ Mr. SR. Good day अरे. Good
Shout
day
out to
ahead
Mr.
to you as
Shout
well.
out to SR.
Abu ho. Next is Anup Rai.
तिम्रो पनि तिमी पढ न
Hello beautiful sisters. Hello beautiful
So
soul.
Shout out to Anu
Anu
Rai.
Rai.
Next is
Next is Sanjeev Sunwar. Hello girls. Hello
Hi,
Sanjeev.
guys.
Hello
Shout out
Sanjeev.
to Sanjeev.
Shout out to Sanjeev.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
guys,
Please
that
don't
was
mind
the
हामी के
त्यसको लागि.
हाम्रो
was it.
last comment है जो हामीले पढ्यो. Thank you so much for all of you to showering
For
so
showing
much
us so
love
much
and
love,
comments हैन.
support.
यो हामीले चाहिँ जतिसक्दो सबैजनाको पढ्नु ट्राई गरेको छ. सो तपाईहरुलाई माया मन पराउनु हुन्छ होला यो ब्लग. अनि यसमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले आज हामीलाई Q&A गर्नुहुन्छ. We need to collect a little more questions so that blog
Yeah.
interesting होस् भनेर. So if you all have any questions यो ब्लगमा चाहिँ please यो ब्लगको कमेन्टमा चाहिँ क्वेशन्स गर्नुहोस्. हामी
Q&A को लागि आउँछ.
आउँछ. So
अन्त
anything
हामी त
else?
अहिले कति के फ्यामिली भएको छ
1K plus family Babuchu.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Hope you will like
for
this
making
video.
us feel so special, right?
And please do not forget to
Like,
like,
share and subscribe to our channel, Gorkhali Sisters. This is,
I'm Nikita.
I'm Vishaka.
I am Natasha.
I am Bhavna.
Bye-bye. Stay
Bye-bye.
safe.
See
Take
ya.
care.
See you.